We're going to find our working pressure now. So remember, we're looking to not have any tails. It's a low pressure tip, so we'll start at 1,000. It's not going to spray at 1,000, but we'll start at 1,000 and then we'll keep tweaking it up until we lose those tails. Set it up in spray. Okay, so that's just over 1,000. So that's what we don't want. Yeah, so we just keep tweaking it up now until we lose them. So we go 15. Still slightly, so a little bit more. 18. Lovely. We do trigger on, trigger off. So when we're on the walls, that trigger isn't constantly pulled. Just do some passes. You know, your distance, like I said, is about 12 inches. Even though it's just a gun in your hand, it's still a two-handed job. You want to be in control of your hose with the other hand. Overlap is 50%. So if you've got a 10-inch fan and you want to be passing kind of every 5 inches or so. But as soon as you pull that trigger, paint's coming out. The HVLP is slightly different. Tomorrow you'll pull that trigger and it will be air comes out until you fully engage that gun and then material comes out. This is instant. So as soon as you pull the trigger, you've got to be moving. Yeah, if you hesitate, pull the trigger, hesitate or anything like that, that's when you're going to get runs because so much paint's coming out and you're not moving. It's just paint buildup. So it's trigger on, trigger off. So